You are going to love the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, premium cloth low-back bucket seats, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, compass. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.